Architects base their practice on several standards. However, there is one shared by most that are unshakable for millennia. Throughout the peak of the traditional Roman civilization, Marcus Vitruvius Pollio, otherwise referred to as Vitruvius, wrote his thoughts on design. This notable work is often referred to as Vitruvius' architecture that he had fenced in down in his 10 books. Modern architects gather several necessary insights from Vitruvius' 10 books on design, and therefore the one that has maybe bested the take a look at of your time is his 3 criteria for a chunk of design. This is often otherwise referred to as the Vitruvian trade, Venustas, Utilitas, and Firmitas. Here we'll explore all 3. According to the Vitruvius, architecture is an imitation of nature. As birds and bees build their nests, so humans constructed housing from natural materials. They gave them shelter against the elements. When perfecting this art of building, the Greek invented the architectural orders Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian. It gave them a sense of proportion, culminating in understanding the proportion of the greatest work of the art, the human body. This led Vitruvius in defining his Vitruvian man as drawn later by Leonardo da Vinci, the human body inscribed in the circle and the square, the fundamental geometric patterns of the cosmic order. In this book series, Vitruvius also wrote about climate in relation to the housing architecture and how to choose location for the cities. Vitruvius Architecture's Firmitas. Firmitas, solidity, strength, could be a building's ability to stay sturdy when extended use and exposure to the natural parts. Over time, architects are able to calculate with bigger levels of truth the expected lifespan of their buildings. Certain materials have bigger sturdiness. Similarly, because the illusion of durabilities like marble, concrete, and brick, one may gauge the extent of firmitas by examining the age of the building. If a building has lasted many decades, while not major renovations, it's tested itself to be a reliable and credible structure. Vitruvius Architecture's Utilitas usefulness could be a building's ability to fitly predict and reply to the wants of its supposed inhabitants. Of course, you'll be able to gauge the importance of quality by witnessing all the program types building can acquire. Hospital, school, house, office, every of those programs needs a singular relationship to the positioning and yet as specifically sized rooms and conditions. Architect understood the construct of the quality in design along with his renowned statement, form follows operate. Vitruvius Architecture's Venustas. Venustas beauty could be a building's relationship to its context, normal of aesthetics.